Hello, the following presentation is a briefing from the National Weather Service in Grand Junction, provided Friday, June 7th, regarding a change to the hottest weather of the season coming next week, along with increasing fire danger. I will also update you on the mountain snowpack. A ridge of high pressure will build over the central Rockies region this weekend. Temperatures will be heating up during the weekend and maxing out on Monday ahead of a cool front. Lower elevations will be in the upper 90s to lower 100s, and this will be the hottest weather of the season so far. Coincident with the hot temperatures will be very low relative humidity across the entire area. Combine this with periods of breezy to windy conditions Sunday through next week, and there will be increasing fire danger. Finally, the warm temperatures will continue to melt the high elevation snowpack. This will continue the high stream flows. Despite a cool front forecast to move through the area late Monday or early Tuesday, the very warm to hot temperatures felt late in the weekend and Monday are expected to return Wednesday through Friday. Monday's forecast high is 100 degrees for Grand Junction, and this is the record for the date. Other locations in western Colorado and eastern Utah will be similarly near their record high temperatures. Winds will be on the increase ahead of the front and continue gusty at times through much of the week. Hot and dry air being blown over the landscape will dry vegetation and increase the wildfire danger. Little to no precipitation is forecast through next week. Here is a graphic showing the forecast high temperatures for Monday, the day we expect to be the hottest next week. Most valley locations are well into the 90s and lower 100s. Even the highest elevations will be relatively warm in the 60s. Here is a graphic showing the forecast lowest relative humidity for Monday, the day we expect to be the hottest next week. Lower elevations will be in the single digits, and even the higher elevations will dry to under 25%. The latest year-to-date precipitation for western Colorado shows all basins below normal at a time when we are entering our driest period of the year. The snow water equivalent in the remaining snowpack has shown a big decrease in the last week and is also largely below normal for this time of year, except for the upper Colorado Basin and the South Platte River Basin, where some late-season snowfall in recent weeks has helped those areas stay near normal. Here are a few resources found on the internet on the topics of heat and drought. In summary, hot weather is forecast to build over the region through the weekend, peaking on Monday. The passage of a cool front late Monday or early Tuesday will only knock temperatures back a few degrees, with some rebound expected for the middle and end of next week. Hot temperatures combined with very low relative humidity and periods of gusty winds will result in drying the vegetation and increasing the threat of wildfires. Mountain snowpack melting will continue at an elevated rate and keep stream flows at high levels. Thank you for listening to this weather briefing. Keep up to date on the latest changes to this forecast by going to our website at weather.gov/GJT.